Let's face it, there's just something really cool about seeing a lowered truck riding around on 8-lug wheels. Today, let's take a look at QA1's coilover conversion kit for the C20. Hey, it's Trevor with QA1, and in front of me today, I've got the coilover conversion kit for the front end of the 67 through 91 C20 and R20 trucks. Now, for many years, there hasn't been a whole lot of solutions out there to keep your 8-lug spindles and really drop the front ends of these trucks properly. A lot of people have had to resort to using a 5-lug spindle from the half-ton trucks that really weren't built to carry the added weight capacity of the larger frame trucks. But today, I'm excited to introduce what we've got for those trucks, specifically designed around running and keeping your 8-lug spindle. All right, so our engineers really wanted to solve the problem of being able to properly lower the front end of these 8-lug trucks while still being able to handle the extra weight in the front end, give you that ride height adjustability, the smoother ride quality, and the better handling. So let's take a deeper look at what components are included with this and how they achieve that for you. So first, let's take a look at the coilover shock. This is really the heart of the system here. It's going to give you the ability to adjust and tune your ride height. You can achieve as much as 3 inches of drop with the stock height spindle, and with a drop spindle, get down to as much as 6 inches of drop. We also have, of course, the adjustable valving in the shocks, both our single and double adjust, that allow you to tune in a much better ride quality and handling performance of the truck. And if we take a look at our control arms from there, they're specifically built with the purpose of carrying more load in mind of these heavier front ends, also while incorporating the use of the 8-lug spindle. So on the lower control arm, we've got a steel heavy-duty cross shaft here. And then both the upper and lower control arms are set up with the larger ball joints to accommodate that 8-lug spindle. For this particular kit, you will need the 8-lug disc brake spindle found on the 71 through 91 C20 trucks. The install procedure is quite easy as well. It's a nice, simple bolt-on solution here. Just need to remove some factory rivets and remove your factory upper control arm mounting bracket. Once you've got that off the frame, we'll cut a hole in the upper spring pocket for the coilover to pass through. And then from there, all the components are a direct bolt-in, and we include all the required hardware to make it very seamless. So there you have it. Here's the QA1 solution for getting a better ride quality, better stance, better handling out of your C20 front end, also while being able to keep your 8-lug spindle and 8-lug wheels. Thanks for joining me. Hope you learned a lot. If you got any questions, check us out on the social media pages, our tech line, or QA1.net.